Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the lives of teachers here in San Miguel de Allende that rock well into retirement. As always, if you need more information, you can click in the links in the descriptive box below, including one that'll take you to Amazon.com with all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. You meet more than a handful of American school teachers retiring in Mexico in hopes of stretching their pension incomes. Until recently in the United States, teachers were unionized and promised a set pension. That's changed in the last quarter century, particularly in the college level, as most teachers are now paid per classroom hour. And the trend is filtered down to Mexico. Had you become part of the union in your 20s, by your 50s, you had retired from teaching. Had you been hired following the 1990s pension changes, chances are you teach in Mexico, including pre-college levels, on a per-class hour basis. To achieve a 50% replacement rate of your working income in a pension, you must contribute on average 13 to 18% of your income over 40 years. A difficult feat even if teachers were generously paid per hour. To my outside over there perspective as a volunteer dance instructor to former teachers, now students, there are two big perks to being a retired Mexican school teacher. One is, despite the lowly pay, a teacher is given much respect. For example, as a former president of the English school, the former teen students stop me in the streets to this day to say, "Hello, teacher," and introduce me to their young families. Secondly, retired teachers are a very fun and active lot. They've their own party hall to hold free classes each day on art, music, and dance, plus to host their monthly meetings, compete with speakers and entertainment. In addition, the hall hosts great murals, including one with a terrific visual history of the town. Each year, the retired teachers invite me to their party hall, and to party, for their Teachers' Day comida that includes a variety of live music, including everything from cumbia to cowbells. Then on the following evening, teachers past and present come out to play with a vengeance. Huge orchestras play all types of music that only pause the dancing to allow the mayor to give away microwaves, televisions, grills, and such to teachers at each school. The party is so intense, all schools are closed the following Monday, 2 days later, to aid in the recovery. Each quarter, retired teachers across Mexico get together to compete with each other in sports, music, painting, sewing, and dancing. Winners receive gold, silver, and bronze medals. I've not seen such utter abject competitiveness among teachers since the 8th grade nuns at the Holy Name of Jesus beat the Wimples off the 7th grade nuns in softball. In addition to these grand gatherings, dancers and musicians perform locally at schools, parks, and churches for a variety of local events like Mother's Day and days honoring various virgins and saints. The Mexican teachers I know are happy to have been teachers well into retirement as the respect and the fun continues. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.